the best AI affiliate marketing niches for baby boomers and Gen Xers. Hey guys, today we're going to walk you through the exact process of choosing a profitable AI affiliate marketing niche. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. If you're feeling stuck or unsure where to start, this video is for you. We know that picking the right niche can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll make it super simple with our 3-step formula. Let's dive in. Why choosing the right niche is crucial. Picking the right niche can make or break your success in AI affiliate marketing. You want a niche that's profitable, scalable, and something you actually enjoy. When you choose wisely, you'll have a consistent audience eager to buy, less competition in untapped markets, higher chance of success with AI automation. Pro tip: don't just follow trends. Pick a niche that has long-term potential and allows you to build a strong brand. 3 steps to finding your perfect niche. Number 1. Identify your interests and experience. Think about topics that excite you or that you already have knowledge about. AI will take care of automation, but having a niche that keeps you motivated will help you stay consistent. Ask yourself, what topics do I enjoy talking about? Do I have any experience in certain industries? What are some common questions people ask me? Example: if you've worked in finance, consider an AI-powered personal finance blog or a digital retirement planning guide using AI automation. Number 2, validate market demand. Not every niche is profitable. You need to check market demand using tools like Google Trends. Is your niche trending or declining? Answer the public. What are people asking about your niche? Affiliate networks. Check ClickBank, ShareASale, Amazon Associates to see if there are high-paying affiliate products in your niche. Example: AI-driven health and wellness solutions for seniors is a hot market because people are always looking for ways to stay healthy and age gracefully. Number 3, choose a niche that's AI-friendly. AI tools work best in niches where content can be automated, like AI-generated blogs and social media posts, AI-powered YouTube scripts and video automation, AI chatbots for customer engagement. Example: if you pick real estate investing, you can use AI to automate market research, email marketing, and lead generation for potential investors. Best niches for baby boomers and Gen Xers. Here are some of the most profitable and beginner-friendly AI affiliate marketing niches. Personal finance and retirement planning, AI-powered budgeting tools, investing strategies, passive income guides. Health and wellness for seniors, AI-driven fitness programs, meal planning, longevity solutions. AI for small business owners, AI-powered marketing, automation tools, business scaling strategies. Remote work and digital tools, AI-enhanced productivity tools, freelancing with AI, work-from-home tips. Home improvement and DIY, AI-generated project ideas, smart home automation, home design software. Bonus tip: if you're still unsure, pick a niche that helps solve a problem for people, because solutions sell, and that's how you pick the perfect niche. Remember, choosing a profitable niche is the foundation of your success in AI affiliate marketing. Now it's your turn. Comment below and let us know which niche excites you the most. Subscribe and hit the bell for more AI business tips. See you in the next video. Boomer AI bridging generations with smart tech.